Hello and welcome to this video in the Microsoft Ads training series. Today we'll be setting up a remarketing list for existing customers. Remember, customers who have already shown interest are more likely to purchase from someone that they have interacted with before. As a matter of fact, most customers don't purchase from you until the third interaction with your business. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, there are two ways to accomplish what we're trying to accomplish. I want to discuss them both as I feel the application of them is personal preference more than anything else. On other advertising platforms, remarketing is done through creating another campaign and offering unique creative opportunities for the business. Microsoft allows that on their campaign, but they also allow you to integrate the audience into your current campaign and adjust bids for people who have already made it into your remarketing list. Now, the big question is, do I create a separate campaign or not? If you decide to create a separate campaign, you must be doing it for at least one of these two reasons. You want to create a campaign with a higher budget for remarketing that doesn't impact the reach of new customers, or you want to create a new creative that gives incentive to click through that you don't want to give your cold audience. Basically, creating a new campaign delineates your cold and warm audiences so that you can continue to spend the same on driving new customers into your remarketing lists, while simultaneously allowing you to create new ads that may offer a coupon for making the purchase on your website today. If you want to create a new campaign but reach your warm audience with the same keywords, all you need to do is duplicate the campaign you want to remarket. Now, once the campaign is made, click the checkbox next to the campaign. In the Edit drop-down box, click Associate with Audiences. For campaign targeting, you will select Remarketing List, and for exclusions, we're going to be adding the people who have already purchased. We don't want to spend our budget on people who have already been to our website, plain and simple. Okay, let's associate our audiences. Click on Add Targeting, select Audience, Remarketing Lists, and let's move over our All Visitors list. We will select Target and Bid under Targeting Settings. Remember, this is for when we're duplicating the campaign to separate our cold audience and remarketing lists. Default bid adjustment set to 15% to start. You want to pay more for people who've already searched and landed on your page once. Now, click on Add Exclusions, select Audiences and Remarketing Lists. Move your All Purchases audience to the right, click Save, and we're all set. If you decide you just want to keep one campaign and remarket inside of the campaign, you'll do everything the same except when you select campaign targeting settings, you will select bid only, and that will allow the list to have a higher bid inside the same campaign without adjusting anything else. Voila. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify training. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.